Daryl with Full Bore Engraving Company. Today I wanted to show you how I clean my Yeti style cups. These are Rtic brand, but they're the same powder coated stainless steel cups. And after I laser them, they're a little dull because of the residue that blows across them. But I want to show you something, a real easy way of cleaning them. It takes just seconds. So this bottle is not, it's just a normal spray bottle. I don't have, it's not labeled anything, but what's in here is LA Totally Awesome. That's the name of the product. And it's a degreaser, cleaner. Let me show you how it works. First, here's the cup. You see the stainless steel part's just not all that shiny. And so what we want to do is shine that up. So I take a paper towel, fold it, just get a little pad here going. I spray just a little bit of the LA Totally Awesome on here. Take the cup, simply rub it up and down. Just a little bit, doesn't even take hard scrubbing or anything, just get it good and wet. You can see a little bit of that residue right there as it comes off. That's the white towel, there's the residue. And after you do that, just rinse it a little bit with water. Let me dry that real quick. And I don't know if you can see the difference on the camera or not, but there's the after. I have one that was before. See if we can put it up right next to it. There's before you clean it. Here's one after you clean it. So again, product is LA Totally Awesome. You can get it at Home Depot, Lowe's. I'll put a link to the description of it in the right here below if I can find it. I think I will. Anyway, that's all I got for you today. Please subscribe and like the channel, and leave comments if you have any idea of that you'd like to see videos of. Thanks again.